Are we recording? You didn't say start. It doesn't say start. Action. Hey guys, if you're anything like me when I first started trading, then you're probably struggling with how to calculate your lot size for a pair like gold. Well, stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll be sure to clear up any confusions that you might have.
For those of you who don't already know, a lot size is a standard for measuring and or describing the size of any given trade in the forex market. Your lot size on any given trade is going to be determined by three things: your stop loss, your account size, and your percentage risk.
If you've seen the video up to this point, congratulations. You have a higher attention span than practically anybody these days. Anyway, please subscribe to our channel and help us on our way to 500 subscribers. I'm now going to show you how you can calculate your lot size for gold. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to determine what your risk to reward is. And you do this by using your risk to reward tool on your object bar to the left. Okay, so once you've determined what your risk to reward is, the next thing you're going to want to do is to take note of how many points describe your stop loss. Okay, this is actually where a lot of new traders miss it, especially with gold. Gold is not your regular currency pair. Do not use this. Use this instead. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is head over to myfxbook.com, and once you're in, go over to FX calculators and find position size calculator. Alternatively, if you don't want to do this, you can simply type in position size calculator and pick the first option, which just happens to be my FX book. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So once you're in, the first thing you have to do is to select XAUUSD, which is a symbol for gold. Once you've done that, you're going to need to carefully type in your account size. So let's say you trade a $10,000 account. The next thing you need to do is to determine and then type in how much of your account you are willing to risk. You can either do this in terms of percentage, say 1%, or you can click on swap with money and type in exactly how much you're willing to risk, say maybe $500. Okay, now $500 is 5% of a $10,000 account. If you want to risk 1%, you simply type in $100. Then you are going to carefully type in the number of points on your stop loss, which is 230. And then you click calculate. So in this particular case, you're going to have to place a trade that's 0.43 lots in size in order to risk 1% of your account,